Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok enable Authorize. Please try again later in iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and facing the issue that whenever you try to log in with your TikTok account, you see a message that your TikTok is unable to authorize. Please try again later. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing is that you just have to go back and you have to check your network connection that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable and disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your settings app, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that. Then go back, open your app store here, go for search for TikTok, and you have to try to update your app if you find any pending updates here. So if you find any pending updates, try to update your app, and after updating you just have to go back and you have to retry that your issue has been fixed or not. It might be the issue has been fixed. If it's still not fixed, so you have to try to make a force restart your iPhone or any iPads. Not to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and raise the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. After black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open your settings app again, go for general, and here go for date and time, and you have to disable the toggle first, and then you have to select your correct time zone based on your location, and then enable this set automatically the time settings. Then go back from here, and you have to try to offload your apps that have on this iPhone storage here. Look for TikTok. You have to try to offload your app if you're using any Android, so you have to try to clear cache files of your TikTok app, and after offloading or clearing cache, you have to reinstall the app after you have offloaded your app. And after reinstalling, you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open the settings app here, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, your issue must be fixed if it's just a network issue. If it's still not fixed, you simply go back from here and keep a long press on your TikTok app. And here you have to try to uninstall your app. Simply tap on this remove app option, then tap on delete app, and then delete. Select delete option from here. It will completely uninstall your TikTok app. And after uninstalling, you have to reinstall. So if there will be any bug or any malware into your TikTok app, it will be fixed in this tab. And after doing that, if your issue is still not fixed, this is the only way. You have to open your browser here and search for TikTok support. You have to search for TikTok support. Open the first website from here, and here just look for any issue option relating to your issue. And after reporting, TikTok will fix your issue and you will get official support. That's how can you easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.